So let's see about the Azure containers. So you have two types of Azure containers here. Like one will be called as a container instances. The other one will be the Kubernetes service. So basically, what is containers is like it's a virtualization environment where unlike VMs, they don't have any sort of operating system or something. So it will always refer to the operating system of host environment. So for any other VMs, or I mean for any other purpose, so they don't have any separate operating system. So it will always refer to the host operating system. It is more lightweight, smaller and more agile than virtual machine. So whenever you have a high workload data, then instead of going for a virtual machine, then you can go for a containers. And these are designed to be created like you can scale at any amount and you can stop them dynamically. So basically that is the use of containers. Okay, and let us see about the container instances. Okay, in this container instance, they are the fast and simple way to run a container. So with container instance, you can run the containers in a fast manner and don't need to manage any virtual machine. So here there is no meaning of virtual machine. Backend it will be, but you don't run all those things or you don't manage all those. And you can use this services also, like they are offering as a platform as a service. And this container as a service also some people will call, but basically it's a platform as a service thing. And you can have a Windows and Linux and you are going to bill per second. And there is one more service like a Kubernetes service where you have a container orchestration where the auto upgradation or any sort of patching, Azure will take care of them. And it supports other but not managing, like you can have a unmanaged Kubernetes Dockers and you will pay for nodes, not for the master. So if you go to Azure portal, you will find more details about the container instances and Kubernetes service. So in console you can see that the container instances are here. So you can easily run containers on Azure without managing servers. So you don't need to manage any sort of servers, Azure will take care of them. The other one will be called as a AKS, where you are going to simply simplify the deployments and managing and operations of the Kubernetes. So these are these are the two important and Azure functions we had seen already. And we have a service fabric where you are going to deploy microservices and orchestrate containers on Windows and Linux. So you have few more services like container registry, web apps for the containers, Red Hat, OpenShift. So just go through all these links. If you click on this particular service, then you will get more information about AKS. So you just scroll down, like what are the advantages, disadvantages, all will be there. And just go through all this documentation whatever they had given, because even if I has to do, I has to read from this document only. But better you study and understand, because that will be more helpful for you.